at the base of the cylinder has a diameter of 30 inches. And in terms of pi, calculate the lateral area. Do is go to your formula chart and look up lateral area, where L, the lateral area, is equal to 2 pi RH. Alright, so let's go ahead and write that down. L equals 2 pi RH. And what we're doing is we're going to multiply 2 times pi times R times H. And the R stands for radius. And the height, okay, it's going to go from base to base. So the bases are going to represent the circles, okay? So the circles, when it comes to cylinders, think of like a soup can, Coke can, whatever. And the top and bottom represent the bases. So my height here is 8. So this is my height. Now sometimes you're going to see these cylinders turn on the side, but the height is still from base to base. Now when it says in terms of pi, if you can get into a habit of putting pi at the end, okay, leaving it in the answer. In other words, what we're going to do is move pi to the end of this problem and go 2 times R times H times pi and leave it part of the answer. Okay, the next thing is to find the radius. Now we're told that the diameter is 30. What that means is that when you go from one point on the circle through the center to another point on the circle, that's called the diameter, which is 30. Well, the radius is half of that. Okay, so from the radius, which is from the center to the point on the circle, is the radius. So we'll go ahead and let that be 15. 30 divided by 2. Okay, if you need to see that, I'll go ahead and write down 30 divided by 2. Okay, is equal to 15. That's the radius. Okay, that'll go here in R. So 2 times 15 times 8, and leave pi in the answer because that's what that means in terms of pi. So when you multiply, you don't multiply the pi, leave it in there. 2 times 15 times 8, and that'll get us 240 pi. And then what were the units? Inches. So area, when you're dealing with area is square. Okay, go ahead and select the correct answer for number 7.